Welcome to the mix, and on the mix is Dwayne. Now, Dwayne says that he has been blocked by Planka Boss, and he's wondering what he did to her to block him. He said, I thought you loved me, and I loved you, so what happened? Please tell me what happened, because I don't know. So go ahead and check out this video, and remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so that when I post, you know. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.
I thought you loved me and I loved you. What happened? What happened? What happened, Planka Bars? What did you... I don't even want to cry in the live. I don't even want to cry in the live, guys, because I cried like a baby before I came on the live. I cried like a baby, and I feel like water's coming in my damn eyes. And stop laughing, stop laughing. You guys are wicked. You guys are wicked people. Plankabas, how are we gonna rectify this? How are we gonna rectify this? This needs to be rectified. This needs to be rectified because I never expected this. I never expected it. I thought we were good. No, I'm a big man and little boys. I'm a little boy in a big man's body, girl. Stop it. Leave me alone, Angela. Angela, leave me alone. Angela, leave me alone. I have feelings. I have feelings. And you clearly don't understand that I have feelings. You need to leave me alone, little girl. Leave me alone. It's not my fault. It's not my fault I wear my emotions on my sleeve. It's not my fault I wear my emotions on my sleeve, you Angela. Angela, it's not my fault you are hard as a damn rock, Angela. Angela, it's not my fault your heart is black. Your heart is black like ashes, Angela. Angela, it's not my fault that you have no heart, Angela. Go and ask God to soften you, Angela. I have feelings, girl. I have feelings. I'm one ball. On the stop laugh, one ball. I'm about to tell you, wait. Don't rush me, you. If I don't tell you. If I don't tell you. I do have something to tell you. I do. I really do. Okay, I'm about to tell you guys now. I'm gonna tell you guys now. Hold on. Let me wipe the tears away. Wipe the tears away. Planka Bars, you hurt my feelings. You know what, guys? You know what happens? You know what happens? You know what happens? I'm gonna tell you guys now. I'm gonna tell you guys now. I really am gonna tell you guys now. So basically, right, today I was minding my own business, right? And someone said, Dwayne, I'm only backing up on this now. I said, what? And they sent me a clipping. You know what they sent to me, guys? You know what they sent to me? You know, when I looked at it, you know what I saw? Do you guys know what I saw? All I could do was cry. All I could do was cry. All I could do was cry. I'm like, hold on. I thought you loved me and I loved you back. And I never expected this. I never expected this. And now I feel to cry too. I feel to cry right now. Because you're someone I actually cared for. And I thought you cared for me too. What did I do to deserve this? This is what I tell you guys, right? I tell you guys, it's no loyalty on this thing. It's no loyalty on this thing. Not that I expected her to be loyal to me. Because, you know, she's a big deal and I'm a little fish. She's a big deal and I'm a little fish. And that's okay. And that's okay. I'm even getting a headache. I'm even getting a headache right now thinking about it. My eye just twitched. My eye just twitched. Plankabas, how are we going to rectify this? How are we going to rectify this? This needs to be rectified, right? Because I don't think I can live like this. I can't live like this. I really can't. I can't live like this. This has broken my heart tremendously. This has broken my heart tremendously, you know? You guys don't care for her the way I care for her. Leave me alone. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. I'm the only one who's allowed to curse. and say bad things. Because deep down, I am the one that cares. Gonna leave me alone. Let me vent and let me cry in peace. You guys are wicked to me. You guys don't care for me. And I thought Plankabas cared for me. But she don't. She don't. Not after what happened. Not after what happened. I only saw the clipping today. I only saw the clipping today. And guys, you know what happened? I'm gonna tell you guys now. I'm gonna tell you guys now, right? Okay. So, right. Someone sent me a clip today, right? Someone sent me a clip today. And Planka must put her phone in the camera. I said, Planka on the look here. Planka on the look here. And all I could do was bawl. All I could do was bawl. She said, Planka on the look here. And what did she do? What did she do? I don't know what she do. I don't know what she do. Do you guys know what she done? I can't even say the words. I can't even say the words. I can't even say the words. Leave me alone. Have you never cried and you all the cry you're crying water can't come out? Leave me alone. Leave me alone, you. You are a hater. I bet you don't like Plankabas. Leave me alone. Go away. Go away. Guys, you know what she done? She showed the Plankination. She blocked me. I only saw it today. I cried like a baby. I cried like a baby. It's not funny. I can't sleep tonight. I can't sleep tonight, tell me. I can't go sleep tonight. I can't sleep tonight. I can't sleep tonight. She blocked me. Plankabas blocked me. I know you guys hate me now. I know you guys hate me now. And Plankabas hate me now too. Cause she blocked me. Plankabas for you black me for. Plankabas for you black me for me do. I will be do. Every time I look for that picture,